Today I'll show you two ways to depressurize your fuel line. This is a procedure for fuel-injected vehicles. The first method is to bleed the Schrader valve located on the fuel rail. Here's the fuel rail, and then there's the Schrader valve. I recommend wearing eye protection and also doing this work on a cool engine. Unscrew the cap. Stuff a rag down and around it, and then you're going to use your flathead screwdriver to release the pressure. Depress the central valve stem just like if you're deflating a tire. Notice that it's facing away from me so that when it sprays, it will spray in the opposite direction of where I am. If working closer to the gas tank, there may be another Schrader valve near the fuel pump. Another method involves removing the fuel pump relay. Open the fuse panel in the engine bay and use the supplied diagram on the back of the fuse panel lid to locate the fuel pump relay. Start the vehicle, then pull the relay and wait for the vehicle to stall out. When you're done your work, don't forget to reinstall the relay and clip the fuse panel lid back on. And prime your fuel pump by turning the vehicle to the on position but not turning it over. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. If it saved you a bit of money, why not send me a little thanks through YouTube at the bottom? I'd appreciate it. That will allow me to make more videos and save you more money. Thanks for watching.